Hi there, welcome to Yooself. In this short video, you'll see how the app works. With Yooself, you track moments. But what's a moment? A moment is anything you want to notice, a habit, a feeling, your mood, or a goal. It can also be something practical, like your spending, your steps, or your study time. Let's create your first moment together. Tap the big plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now give your moment a name. Let's say we want to track how many coffees we drink. Type coffee. Pick an icon. Choose a color. Let's go with yellow. Done. You created your first moment. Now, imagine you usually drink espresso, or sometimes an Americano. Swipe left on coffee. You'll see two options. Edit, add a sub-moment. Tap the plus icon and create espresso. Now you're inside coffee. Let's add another one. Tap the big plus again and create Americano. Go back to the main screen. Now you'll see a small icon next to coffee. That means it has sub-moments. If you want to track a coffee, tap coffee, then espresso. Done. You just tracked your first moment. And guess what? You can create sub-moments inside other sub-moments, as deep as you want. Now let's create a moment that saves a value. Create a new moment called grocery. Turn on Ask for a value. Tap placeholder and write how much. Now tap grocery, type 20. Confirm. Tap again, type 35. Easy. You can also save words. Create a moment, what I watch on TV. Turn on Ask for a value. Now just tap and save. Sport. Movie. Quiz. Next time, you'll see suggestions so you don't have to type again. Nice and quick. You can even take photos. Create a moment, weather. Turn on Take a picture. Tap it and take a photo. Now, edit it and also turn on Ask for a value. Next time you tap it, you can take a photo and add a note like nice. You can also set a goal or a limit for a moment. Let's edit coffee. Set a limit 3 coffees. Now track espresso twice. This helps you stay aware of your habits. When you track something, you'll see a small message at the bottom. By default, it lets you undo, but you can change it. Go to Settings, Notifications. If you choose Edit Last Entry, you can jump straight into editing. Now let's look at your stats. Tap the Stats icon at the bottom. Here, you'll see how often things happen. For coffee, you'll see when and how often you drink it. You can explore days of the week, time of day, specific hours. Scroll down and you'll see espresso and Americano. You can compare them and even see when they happen on the same day. For things like grocery, you'll see all logged values, total per day, average values. Don't like some charts? Tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. You can hide or show what you want. Each moment can have its own setup. To see stats for other moments, tap the moment name at the top. Then pick a moment from the list. You can also compare two moments. Tap the microscope icon, then pick two moments to compare. For example, coffee and grocery. You might discover patterns, like do coffee and grocery happen on the same days? These are just hints, not exact insights, so take them lightly.